Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and today's video I'm going to simply show you on how to add bulletin to your text in Google Docs. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Alright, so take a look at this particular simple document right here. So I have this document about 1, 2, 3, 4 as a sub-heading, just like what you see right here. Now, let's say I want to add bulletin to some of this heading right here that has been highlighted to be bold. What I need to do is to simply click on the first one right here. And after click on the first one, I will have to come to the top right here. I will click on bulletin list right here. So you have variety style you can choose right here. So if I click on this first one right here, you have it to be automatically added, just like so. If you want to switch to another one, click on it right here and click on this one. You have another one right here. You can click on here again, choose any one of your choice. You are good to go. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply add bulletin to your text in Google Docs. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.